Hello, Maverick. My Sam's Club business credit card got denied. This was what I heard from a viewer of mine, and I felt like let me try as much as possible to help out. And these are some of the things that we decided to embark on, and that is why I've decided to create this video tutorial, possibly to help several people out there to, get approved. And with this video, I'm certain that some people also will be able to share their thought about this and if they're able to get a solution. So several strategies can come in, but this is just me opening up about the strategy that I know that can work for you to get approved for the Sam's Club business credit card. My name is Maverick. Welcome to this channel. Please listen to this disclaimer before you watch this video. It is very important that you know that I am not a financial advisor and the content of this video is for educational purposes only. Now you need to know that cashback rates, fees, and terms of credit card mentioned in this video may vary over time. And any products that I recommend in this video is for your benefit and they do not require any additional spending from your hand. In case it's been a while that you watched this video after I've created it, kindly make sure that you go ahead and confirm all the rates and fees that I talked about in this video before you embark on taking action on this video. And it's not also bad if you also consult all the financial advisors that you trust very well before you embark on anything that I say in this video. Now let's head straight to this video tutorial. Before we go much deeper, I want to talk about the possible reason why you get rejected. Now, these reasons are just from experience, other people's experience, and what you can apply and do right. Now, the first reason is when you apply for, too much credit card within a short period. Now, some card have rules about how often you can apply for a card within a certain time frame. If you apply for a card, too quick, maybe you just applied for a card 2 months ago or a month ago, you might likely not get approved for a credit card, most especially a business credit card. That is the first thing you have to know as to reason why several people, mostly get rejected. Another reason, which is a possible reason, is when there's too many credits for your income level to sustain, it can lead to disapproval. Okay, you need a good income level to run a business credit card normally. I've seen a whole lot of people who do not even have a good income level. Some do not even have a job, they don't even have a work, but possibly they're just getting started and felt like, okay, they want to start a business, but they need a business credit card to run a business. Now, one thing you need to know is that brands like Sam's Club don't just accept anyone who does not have a good income level. They want to make sure that you'll be able to pay back every money that you borrow with your credit card. So this is the reason why it's always important that you have a good income level when you're even applying for a credit card. And a brand like Sam's Club, they really prioritize a good income level before they are gonna approve you. And even if you do not have a very good income level, you should have something that they know that, okay, fine, you will still be able to pay back all your debt. Now, the third possible reason is your credit score. Now, it's important for you to know that you need to have at least 700 credit score for you to be eligible for approval. If you do not have a credit score of 700 and above, at least 700 and more, then your chances of getting approved is slim. However, if you've gotten approved with something less than 700 credit score before, you can let us know in the comment box and possibly share your ideas, share your thoughts. Let us feel from you and let us know if you are able to get an approval with, even though you did not reach 700 credit score. Okay. And another possible reason is maybe probably you tried applying without a proper verification. Though you need your SSN before you can get approved, but I've seen several instances from a group where someone was saying, they got the credit card and they got approved without their SSN. And I'm kind of curious because it's kind of a little bit difficult for you to even, register for a credit card without your social security number, which is your SSN. And with your social security number, that is how they get your details. So I'm kind of surprised, but maybe it was possible also with the Sam's Club. I cannot 100% guarantee that if it's possible for you to apply without an SSN, without your social security number. So, but if you do not register with it, then possibly you might want to go ahead, add your social security number, and it can help you get approved, because it's gonna be complicated for you to say you got approved without your SSN, because that is how they get your details, they get your data. And I felt that is very important for anyone to consider. And possibly if you have any experience with someone registering and getting approved without SSN, or maybe maybe you've had an experience with it, let us know in the comment box also. It's gonna help a lot of people in this community learn a whole lot. Now, another thing you need to know is your business name well authenticated? Because if the bank cannot verify it, you will not be approved. Now, a lot of people do register, because what you need to know here is that you're registering for a business credit card. So you need to have a business that is well authenticated. Possibly you need to have a registered business. If the business is not registered and well authenticated and they cannot verify it, then you're going to find it difficult for you to get approval. A lot of people out there want to start a business, but they've not even gone ahead to verify their business. This is not going to help you. This is going to lead to more denials for you. Well, those are the possible reasons that I see as to why many people are not able to get approval when it comes to the Sam's Club credit card. Now, what are the possible solutions that you can apply for you to be able to get approval? Now, these solutions are not 100% assured. I have to be factual with you, but they will also help you out to, get approval. Now, the first one is you can try and call the customer service to ask for more details. However, several people that I know have kind of complained and said, calling the customer service doesn't help. But the fact is that it helps, because these people will be able to tell you the possible reasons as to why you got denied, and it can also help you to do the right thing. Because all these things that you see me telling you, the possible reasons, they are also from what the customer service told me and the person who also asked me. All right. So when you call the customer service, Sam's Club customer service, it can help you, all right, to kind of make the best decision and know exactly what you need to do. All right. And in case you wonder what the customer service is, I don't really like to, tell people the number of any brand, any credit card brand customer service, because it can change from time to time. And I wouldn't want something whereby I tell you that, okay, this is the number you should go to call, and by tomorrow they might have changed the number. So you can easily just go to Google, okay, and just search for Sam's Club Business Credit Card Customer Service, and you will easily see their support page, which you can click on or copy paste on your phone book and give them a call. All right, so that is the best way that I know that you can research for any customer service. I wouldn't want to type it to you because they can change, but any changes they make will always be updated on their website. So through that, you'll be able to get into their straight to their website and know exactly the number to call. Now, another possible reason is maybe you do not have a good credit record with another type of business card. Okay, so I always suggest that you first try to have a good credit record with other business credit cards like Chase. Now, Chase is a very good brand that helps you to boost your credibility. Okay, if you have a good credit record with Chase, then you will have good credibility, because that way other brands like Sam's Club will be more encouraged, okay, to approve you immediately. But when you do not have any record before previously, it will be a little bit difficult for them to get you approved. Okay, so I'll suggest you try another type of business credit card like Chase or several other ones that you might consider. Okay, but I know Chase is a very good one. You can decide to use Chase, okay, and first get a business credit card with Chase. Chase will surely approve, okay. Yeah, the we will accept if you do not have a good credit score. So if your credit score is normal, is moderate, you will get approval. So you can decide to first use it for several months and have a good credit record with them before you now go ahead to apply for Sam's Club. That way, the credibility you have with Chase will sustain you to be able to get approval for the Sam's Club business credit card. That is it that I have to say in this video tutorial. You can share your opinion in case you have any other option regarding this type of issue. Several users have complained, and it's normal, but getting denied from the Chase business credit card can be, I understand that it can be frustrating, but these are some of the things that you can consider, and possibly it also helps you to get approval. All right, and if you have any experience with these, maybe possibly you've tried this before, it doesn't work, and later when it works for you, let us know in the comment box. It helps a lot of people to make the best decision. We are all here to help each other and become someone great, okay, and enjoy a lot of benefits with credit card. Thank you very much for your time. I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new credit card tutorials right here on this channel. And I wish you the best of luck in your credit card journey. Also, don't forget to hit the thumbs up like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there who might possibly have an issue with Sam's Club business credit card getting denied, and it can help them to also make the best decision whenever they are in this particular problem. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace and take care. Bye.